everyone, this is Michael from Computex. Today we are very happy to visit Nangang Exhibition Center for the SEMICON Taiwan. And now, as we know, many Computex exhibitors actually join the event to demonstrate their latest technology. So let's take a look. And currently, we're standing at a booth of ICP desk. And we are very happy to invite Helen, the marketing coordinator translator, to share more insights.
Welcome to our booth. ICP DAS is a tech company focused on developing, manufacturing, and supplying automation products and solutions. With EU carbon taxes phasing, worldwide businesses are looking for energy-saving approaches. Our energy management solution and environmental monitoring solution come in useful here, which can be tailored to meet the needs of the semiconductor industry. Semiconductor clean rooms require a controlled environment to ensure product quality and minimize unplanned downtime. To achieve this, we need to closely monitor and control the temperature and humidity, the concentration of the fine particulates in the air, as well as the energy consumption of the machine. ICP DAS environmental monitoring modules DL series are deployed in clean rooms to collect data on PM1, 2.5, and 10, and concentration of various gases. Since semiconductor manufacturing equipment and semiconductors produced are very sensitive to temperature and humidity variations, our DL series is also here to help you keep track of these parameters. Besides, ICP DAS smart power meters are also used to obtain reliable energy consumption data. The clip-on CTs are also easily installed on AC cables for current measurement. This design offers great convenience and does not interrupt operations. After all, time is money. The energy data and environment data are then sent to our IIoT power meter concentrator PMC series for further data analysis and automatic logic control. It sends alarm notifications to the right personnel via line or email when anomalies are detected. Lastly, our PMC series can be run on web browsers or integrates with IoT cloud platforms such as Microsoft Azure and IBM Bluemix. Or it can also integrate with our IoT Star Cloud software for real-time data visualization in the control center. Or you can also choose to add our ICANN LED displays to keep on-site staff posted on critical data to optimize operations and clean room environment.
Thank you, Helen, for so many great information. So if you want to learn more about ICP DAS, make sure you will visit Computex 2024. See you next year!